my main thing, like coming to RPI, it's like taking all these classes like C, C++. Like I'm a big Apple fan, so I wanted to like get involved like in iPhone development, and just like ever since I got an iPhone, I'm like, all right, I'm a computer science major, like I want to make something for it. So like that's like my main reason for getting involved. And so like the whole idea behind like FitBot itself is like the motivation factor. Like going to the gym, a lot of people have trouble like motivating themselves to go, or like even if you're at the gym, it's like you skimp out on like some kind of work, like some workouts that you should do, like etc. So like this is like the whole idea to help you like get through your workout and be like time efficient with it.
Yeah, we really think that we can sort of guide people through this horrible process of working out, getting them there in the first place, and then also, yeah, like you said, getting you through the actual workout. So we're going to try to use different methods of doing that.
So notifications will be like a big one. So like when you're within the application, it's like you're going to start your workout, and you'll see a little picture like how it starts out. But so you start your workout, and it'll like notify you like when you're supposed to be moving on to the next one, depending on what kind of workout you're doing. Like if you're like lifting, how many like how much rest in between sets, just like stuff like that. It'll just keep you on track the whole time, like a little trainer kind of deal.
Right, and one of the parts of it is we'll keep track of statistics. So it'll notify you, hey, you did 20 sit-ups last week. You should probably start doing 22 sit-ups from now on. So it helps you move forward. And one of the biggest things is it should be kind of second nature. So I'm doing all the UI and the user experience design for it, so it should be something that you can easily be on the treadmill and use, or be lifting and use. It should be very accessible, very easy. We're using kind of this motivational, energizing color scheme just to kind of make the whole process easier.
Oh yeah. So a big thing is like along with like motivating you like through the whole process, you'll be able to like keep track of like your progress and like how much weight you're using, like how many reps, how many sets, etc. So like we can eventually like incorporate like maybe graphs and trends, but like this is the thing to help you like keep motivated and like improve off of like where you were.
And that's part of the reward of using it. You can see, wow, I've actually accomplished a lot, and I want to keep doing it.
So yeah, like the whole idea of it is to have like, it's like your own personal trainer on like your iPhone or iTouch. So like just help you make it through your workout. It's like you don't want to like pay for a personal trainer to like stand there and like motivate you, like at like a gym that you pay for. Like I think that's like unnecessary personally. Okay, so like as we were saying, basically it's like a scheduling system, like with the notifications, like to keep you on track. So like you will set up like a schedule with like your workout and like for whatever day, and like you can like repeat workouts on certain days, like etc. And it's just gonna like have all that data stored, and like whenever you go to the gym, you just like start the workout and like off you go.
And that'll be clear with a screenshot.
Yeah, we talked about it. So it just like guides you through your workout. Let's do that.
So we have the idea is that you'll be able to create a workout and apply it to different days depending on how you want to plan your week, and then you can set different types of activities, how long they are, how many reps, that kind of thing. And
keep track of progress. And
so one of the kind of end goals, yeah, we want to start this, learn how to do it, make a really simple thing. But one thing we really want to investigate is gain dynamics. So the idea of leveling up as you improve, it rewards you with something. So let's say it tracks that you're making progress, and it'll notify you, hey, you've reached level 10. You're an awesome workout person. It's meaningless, but it's not meaningless. If you look at games, people level up all the time for not much. So this is kind of like, how can you how can you apply those dynamics to something that'll actually improve you in real life?
Alright, so like our game plan is like right now he's working on like wireframes, and I'm like, since I'm like just getting involved in like Objective C and like learning that environment, it's like a lot to take in at once. So like I'm just trying to like work through things like on my own. And then obviously I want to come in for help. I'm probably coming for help for like asking you, Peter, since you have know a lot on that, and that's where we're at right now.
And I don't have a Mac, so I can't actually help with code.
Alright, so like right now we're working on, like he's got the design for, you'll see, for like our schedule tab. It's like a little tab interface, and like we want to have like just more functional tabs come in a couple weeks, like have everything like start to like come together a little bit, like have actual functionality out of it to like test some things, and then just like keep working from there. And ideally, like for like a month from now, it's like to have like some kind of like basic prototype of the application to like just start testing, and just from there just like refine, improve, and just like see where it goes from there. Oh, there we go back. Alright. So, and you can talk about this is like the design that he made for.
So yeah, we kind of spent a lot of time figuring out, okay, what is the most important thing that needs to be seen when someone opens up the app. You're either going to be currently in your workout or you're going to be starting your workout. So when you open up the app, you're going to see your week, depending on what day it is. Currently it'll show you your workout for that day, and then you would just start that workout. It's pretty simple. It needs to be simple. The blue area would expand and contract depending on how many actual things you were doing for that time. So
it's all about just like making it simple for the user to use and making it effective so you can like have an efficient workout. That's a big thing. And questions?
The game dynamic thing that you were mentioning, I know is involved in a lot of other fitness and weight loss apps I've seen.
Mm-hmm.
I can't think of any specifically off the top of my head, but if I had my computer, I could probably find it pretty quick. But,
yeah, there's one called like Burn or something that's got like global stats for everyone that uses their stuff.
They have some interesting. Have you thought about that the whole networking between people? Because I know for some of the weight loss, I was reading an article about mobile apps and weight loss communities, and that some people find it immensely helpful when they can make their results public and have it kind of be in a social networking. But none of those projects were open source; they were all like paid for apps.
Right. Yeah, that's definitely like. There's so many awesome things we could do with this. First, we need to figure out how to code.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. It's like really, we gotta like get it implemented, but like we have the ideas, like we wanna like somehow just like connect people together. Like it's all about like the motivation. So like other people motivate you. Like this is supposed to be like a little helper to like help your self motivation to get to the gym. So like we're definitely just moving like to different ideas from there.
Yes.
Just it sounds really interesting, and there might be even ways to do actual experiments with this to see how some of the different features and some the leveling and the technical aspects may contribute to even things that management will do in like goal theory and things like
Right.
that. So doing real-time experiments with real data, I mean this is the type of thing that would be very interesting to kind of leverage in a experiments setup.
Yeah, definitely.
Is this just for like sort of in-gym workouts, or could I track like, you know, if I like to go like running, 2 miles or something like that, could this be used to track that too?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Any
it's like,
kind of.
So you should look at Devin Ross and Amit Kumar. Some running exercise was their warm-up exercise in iPhone 2 years ago. I will
Okay.
show you the link.
alright.
There's also a ton of apps for tracking your run, like mapping where you ran and your mileage and stuff.
Mhm.
That may be feature bloat, but if you had something like that, that'd be awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we're just starting out with like the whole like scheduling process, and then features will, for like different releases, eventually features will come from anywhere.
Or would you be able to integrate with, say, like the iPhone's calendar for like notifications, or is
Like I was thinking about that, actually, like to see how it would, like especially if you feel like you could set like a start time for your workout. If like the app could like integrate with the calendar, I'd have to like look and see like how to do that. But I think that would be pretty cool.
We also don't want to like recreate the functionality of the calendar because that'd be pretty redundant.
Yeah.
So we're trying to keep some power in there.
Brendan has a question. And Brendan.
Yeah, I saw that this year the Mueller Center has something that shows you how to do different exercises. Have you thought about something like that, or even just something that search the internet to find how to do?
I mean, like a lot of like, especially like a lot of the free applications out there, is like that's like their sole purpose. So like, I just wanted to take like the different direction. Like, like there's a $10 app on the App Store now that combines like kind of like what we want to do here and like has just like a huge library of like how to do everything. Like, I think it's kind of ridiculous for like $10, and I think there might even be like a subscription there. So like, I mean, we're starting on one end, and then we'll see where it goes. Like, it's definitely like something I looked in or like thought about, but we got to start from the basics. So.
Thank you very much. Glenn, can you go?